Just like how a car needs regular professional maintenance, partnering up with experts to optimize how enterprise applications work can be the difference between a highly successful enterprise and an average one. At Pronix, we offer SAP Application Management Services that set up your team for success by using experts to manage your enterprise applications on your behalf. Our wide range of SAP services is focused on streamlining your operations, lowering the cost of ownership, and improving business performance. And it doesn't matter what industry your business operates in. Our SAP services portfolio features end-to-end services that cover everything from setting up SAP management services to application portfolio rationalization, making upgrades and enhancements, implementing new features, and so much more. From functional and technical support, application hosting, system administration and monitoring, as well as help desk support, our SAP Application Management Service covers just about everything. And when we say we're leading experts in SAP management, we mean it. For years now, we've been strategic partners with SAP and boast a direct one-to-one relationship with SAP leadership. This is how our team can offer unparalleled expertise across many SAP ERP modules and SAP Business Suite components. Plus, you can now unlock the power of the cloud with our SAP Cloud infrastructure. Just give us a call today. Pronix, transforming the world with technology.